If you're moving to Canada, the WES evaluation is one of the many hurdles you will have to face. Choose the wrong evaluation and you could lose over $200. Send the documents the wrong way and your application could get rejected or delayed. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate masterclass. First, I'm going to show you the different types of WES evaluation, especially the document by document evaluation and the course by course evaluation. Then I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to create your WES account and request for your documents from your school. Now let's get into it. WES is known as the World Education Service. What WES does is to evaluate your credential, maybe your degrees, your diploma certificates from your various countries, and make it equivalent to either US or Canada. For the sake of this video, I'll be focusing more on immigration to Canada. I'll start by explaining what the different types of evaluation are under Canada WES evaluation. There is the document by document evaluation. The document by document evaluation verifies what your degree is. It is mostly for freshmen out of college and people who want to get admission. It is slightly cheaper and faster to get. The course by course evaluation breaks down your current GPA, maybe from your bachelor's degree or diplomas that you have completed in your country. It breaks down your courses and the grades you got for those courses and measures the grade points equivalent to what it is in Canada's CGPA ranking. So the course by course evaluation is more detailed and it's for people who are seeking higher education here, say for graduate studies like masters, PhDs, and other forms of higher education. The course by course evaluation is also requested or done by people who are seeking professional licensing in a new country. Say you have like a professional degree in engineering from your country and you want to know what its equivalent is in Canada. The course by course evaluation is what you will use for that. For express entry or permanent resident application in Canada, there is the IRCC ECA evaluation. So when you're evaluating your degree for immigration or for IRCC purposes relating to your express entry or permanent residency, you have the option to choose the IRCC ECA evaluation. That way, WES automatically ranks it using the IRCC standard, and you will also get a copy of the report. Next, we'll be diving into how you can create your WES account. First, you have to go to wes.org/ca and click on create account. When you go to the website, you are allowed to choose the application type. Make sure that you choose either standard or the ECA by IRCC. And then you'll be required to enter your personal details. Ensure that the name that you enter matches the exact names that are on your passports. And then ensure to add the recipients. For this evaluation or for the evaluated report, who do you want to receive the report? Is it the school that you're applying to? Is it IRCC? You have to choose at least one recipient for the first time you're creating this account. If you're finding this video helpful so far, click on the subscribe button and share the video to other people who might need this. Now, after entering all the required details, it will take you to a page where you will make payment for the evaluation. Once you make your payment, it gives you a WES reference number. The WES reference number is what you will send to your institution or your school or your college to send your transcripts using that reference number. Your school is going to mail WES the original transcripts that you have and put the reference number. So it helps them to match the received transcript and your reference number to make sure that they are evaluating for the right purpose and for the right person. You will also have the option to choose whether you're sending WES a digital copy or a physical copy. Sometimes WES will require you to send a physical copy depending on your school and your institution. That means they have to mail it in a hard copy envelope to WES. Sometimes they might not require that. They would require a digital copy. When your university is sending the hard copy to WES, it must be sealed and signed by the university. It must not be broken and it must be sent directly to WES. Apart from your transcript, another document that will be required of you to be sent to WES is your certificate. Do not send the original copy of your certificate. You can scan it and mail it to WES or attach it to your profile when they have received the transcript from your school. Do not send the original copy of your certificate to WES. As soon as you have created your account and made payment and selected the kind of evaluation you want, the status of your WES portal will be showing waiting for documents. You can always go there to see if anything has been updated. Once they receive your transcripts, that changes to in progress, and they will also alert you to let you know that they have received your transcript. Then you will now be required to upload the scanned copy of your original certificate. Now, for timelines, on the WES portal, it states that as soon as they receive your documents, it typically takes 2 to 4 weeks to complete your evaluation. I would say give it like 35 business days to see whether your evaluation would be completed. And keep up to date. Make sure you're logging in and checking the status and also following up with your email in case they require additional information from you. Let's talk about validity of your WES evaluation report. The WES evaluation report that you get is valid for 5 years from the day that it is issued to you. So you do not have to do it over and over again. It is valid for 5 years. And within that 5 years, if you also want to get another form of evaluation on that same transcript, you just need to go to your profile and select that. So it's straightforward. You do not need to send your transcripts multiple times to WES. Getting your WES evaluation is a huge milestone in your Canadian journey. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section and I'll be here to answer you. Now that your WES evaluation is completed, the next step is to get your English test done. In my next video, I'll be talking about which English test is more suitable for you, IELTS or the CELPIP test. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so that whenever these videos are uploaded, you would have access to them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.